What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We are back here outside my house and it is a little rainy today. Check it out. I don't know about you guys, but I used to love like really sunny days, but I don't know what it is recently. I've just been loving the rain. So whenever we do get rain here in Southern California, it's always like a treat. So, I mean, the cars look great and the Z looks like it's painted, but it's actually not. So if you read the title of this video, you already know we're actually going to finally get the door sanded. The metal technician is over there at the shop right now. So we're gonna get some of the door dings removed from the driver's side. Today's kind of a big day because today is the last, pretty much the last panel we need to work on. As far as sanding goes, we're gonna need to primer the door probably, and then I need to sand down some of the primering we've done on the fenders. But other than that, the car is basically ready. I need to go around and do a little bit more sanding on the little tighter, like harder to get areas that I missed. But other than that, it's pretty much ready to go, and I'm super excited. We're getting close, and yeah, let's do it. All right, so how am I gonna do this without getting like completely rained on? Let's unlock the car. Guy. Oh my God, these drops are huge. I'm in. I mean, it is coming down. All right, let's get a cold start. She's cold. You guys, me and Steve, my brother, you guys have seen him in the videos. I taught him to drive the Miata like 10 videos ago. We actually went out and picked up a manual Honda Civic, a 1998 Honda Civic for him yesterday. And he loves it so much, it is so cool. He's been looking at them for a while now, and he finally pulled the trigger and went and decided to go buy one. And it is so cool. I have a little bit of footage of when we went over there and picked it up, but I didn't get much footage of the car when we picked it up because we were just so excited. But he'll definitely be in a video soon with it. We'll have to like, okay, so our main plan is to race the Miata and the Honda. So we don't really know who's gonna win, and they're both 1.6 liter 4-cylinders, so we just don't really know. But it'd be kind of interesting to see who would win that. So definitely look out for that in the near future. I'm super excited to see. Yo, the sun came out for a second. So weird. California is so bipolar when it rains. It rains for like 5 minutes and then it's done. It's sunny out, so I don't know. I like when it rains. I like when the ground is wet, I guess, because you know, you can kind of like slide around without feeling like you're just going through tires terribly fast. And yeah, I don't know, it's just kind of fun. Ready? We'll see if we can give it a little slide right here. Second gear slide. Not much, but you know. All right, there she is. So if you guys watched the last video, we kind of looked at this already, but I mean, it's really not too bad. So there's not going to be too much work that needs to be done. For the most part, we're pretty much done with the sanding, at least. This fender liner, completely destroyed. Just did my best to cut it out, and then it's kind of just, you know, sitting on here. I have a brand new one, as you guys saw. The only thing is I bought a brand new for the driver's side. I did not buy a brand new one for the passenger side because I figured it would be okay, but I made a mistake and I got to like 60 miles an hour and it started to push it against the driver or the passenger wheel, so kind of stinks. You know, it's obviously not, you know, destroyed, but it's definitely that scraping sound. I still have no idea what that scraping sound is. I heard it coming here. It's definitely weird. And then this, as you guys know, I think it's cracked right here, so I'm gonna take, I think I have like some Flex Seal. I'm just gonna spray this and it should be good. Oh yeah, it's cracked right there. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna Flex Seal that. I think it'll be okay, just so we don't have to buy a new one. Guess how much the OEM one of these brand new is? Take a wild guess. $275, not including shipping. So I mean like 300 bucks, easy for that. That's crazy. So definitely would recommend going to a junkyard or something if you're gonna look for one of those. But other than that, it's coming along nicely, you guys. We're gonna run inside and just see how it's looking. All right, you guys, so we got the okay to pull it in. Guys, I gotta show you some of the cars we have out here. So I don't know anything about muscle cars or anything. So we got these, you know, cool things over here. And if you look down here, we got a Mustang. And look at, what are those wheels? This is like run flats, but they're supposed to be spares, I think. It's on all four. Wait, one sec, I gotta get closer. That's just pretty funny. But that's a pretty nice Mustang over there. What's that behind it? Like a BMW? Pretty nice two-tone truck. And that guy Subaru, he must work down there because the Subaru's always over there. It's so nice. Pretty cool. Got something in there. Pretty sick. That, they're gonna restore this, I guess, to an entire vehicle. I'll believe it when I see it. Alright you guys, so we're all done with the door. Basically, we have a little bit more sanding to do, but for the most part we're done. All the body work is pretty much done. Now all we have to do really is like sand what we've primered, and then we're pretty much ready for paint. I was just talking to Efren right there, I don't know if you guys heard, but he said hopefully by Saturday we can start shooting it, which is awesome. I have to actually work on Saturday at the winery, so hopefully I'll have time, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. But literally next week we're gonna start painting it. This thing's gonna start coming together. Basically we're gonna pick a paint color, and that's basically where we're at. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna back out here really quick. All right, you guys, so we're headed out. I'm gonna go get some flame broiler because I'm starving and I love flame broiler. But like I was just saying, we're gonna start shooting it hopefully next week, which is so insane. I cannot wait for this thing to look amazing again. And I look at pictures of it from like 3 months ago and I'm just like, I can't even believe it's the same car. I'm so used to looking at like this like pink color. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and thank you so much for joining me on the whole journey of painting the Z. I know it's taking a little bit, but I promise, like I just said, it'll be great when it's all done and it'll be worth it. Great things take time, and this is definitely taking some time, but it's gonna be great when it's done. So cannot wait to go to car shows again and just all that stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.